That word comes to mind again, Wānanga. For me, Wānanga about kaupapa Māori, and it all connects through, regardless of kaitiakitanga, Whakairo, te reo Māori, intertwines into what we're learning, and that gives us ideas, and these ideas are able to be carved in our Whakairo.
My biggest goals are to eventually help restore marae or working on waka. I just wanted to look at something when I'm not here and know that I created that piece. All my kids will have something to look at.
I'll do it. It's pretty simple and you won't regret it. It's not just about the toi, but it's all about, like I've said, it's a holistic approach to being well, mentally, physically. Friendships that you'll build will be phenomenal, and I look forward to having those friendships for a long time. So.